Hello friends, the next thing that we have received is one of the gifts that I have won on Incredible Connection All-Star Gaming, which is a new gaming esports kind of thing that Incredible Connection is supporting with many of the other local peripheral providers like Logitech and many others. So I was one of the viewers in one of the Logitech events with Tech Girl. So I won this Logitech G733 Lightspeed wireless RGB gaming headset, which I have received yesterday only from Incredible Connection. So this one is worth Rand 2,999, so almost 3,000 Rand worth the product. So I'll quickly show you all the features that this Logitech gaming headset has. So this is the first thing, is this is a wireless one, and it comes with these two RGB lights which you can change in the software. It comes with a reversible this kind of a headband. It can be changed and you can buy these separately, and I don't know about the availability of them in South Africa, but you can definitely order. And then the configuration of this headphones is like, it's only 278 grams, Pro G40mm driver, frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz, impedance is 39 ohms, 5 kilo ohms active, sensitivity is 87.5 decibel, and microphone, the best part about this is it has a detachable microphone. As you can see, you can detach it if you want to speak to someone, or if you're chatting over the game or something, and if you don't want to use it, then you can take it out. And then there is a volume rocker button on one side with which you can reduce or decrease or increase the volume, and there is one button on which you can do any kind of control you want to put. So you can definitely do any you can set it up from the app that at the G Hub app. It's called the G Hub app. So if you can see, it has light sync, so all the devices within this Logitech range of products, all of them will have the same kind of color going on if you have a color setup on your gaming setup. So this is it, and it has a battery life of 29 hours without switching on these RGB lights. With RGB lights on, it's like 20 hours as mentioned on the package. And it also has a dual layer memory foam ear pads, so which are really comfortable, reversible soft suspension headband, high precision Pro G audio drivers on, and then USB. This is charged by USB charging port, so it's kind of a latest technology that they have. And these are all the information that they write generally in the box. And this headset really looks really nice, really amazing, and I'm thankful that I got the opportunity to watch and win the same on Twitch. And you can also do so if you go to Twitch and then watch all Star Gaming esports activities over in August. So you can join Twitch and then check on all the activities Incredible Connection is supporting by their All-Star Gaming campaign. And that's it, I think, from the mystery boxing point of view. When I will unbox this thing, I'll definitely share a separate video with you guys for the same. But this one is only about the specifications of this, and saying thank you very much to Incredible Connection for providing me these headsets. So I went to the Center City store, and the manager, I filled some forms and got the same on the immediately. So thank you very much, Incredible Connection, and all the best for the All-Star Gaming and all the champions in South Africa who participate in esports. And thank you very much. Thanks a lot.